Exams are coming and children need light and fan. And if you are in the kitchen, there should be sufficient light and air also, so you can cook comfortably. Not only this, if you are sitting in your office and there is a power breakage, and if you have some important document to print, so what will you do? If you want to run your small factory and want to work in your office properly, and if you want all these items to work together and a connection to take all load together, but no electricity, then what will you do? This must be bothering you a lot. But now you don't have to worry anymore, because we have a solution of your problem. Now we are going to introduce you such product which is definitely unique. The special features of this product is that it has both AC and DC supply, which can be used at the same time. Yes, you have heard correct. We are going to introduce 1 to 5 kilowatt all-in-one solar system. This solar system has 3 parts. First is solar panel, which collects sunlight from sun and generates solar power. The most important feature of this, that first time in India, Rising Solar have introduced double tilt single axle sun tracking system, which not only tracks sun energy during the whole day and adjusts itself to follow the sun movement to get maximum sunlight, but it also adjusts 4 times in a year as per the weather conditions. Because of these special features, it gets 100% solar light to convert into solar energy, and there is no energy loss. The second important part is the battery bank, which can be adjusted as per your requirement. You can also decide to use gel or solar lead acid sealed battery as per your choice. So now introduced you the main product, and let me introduce you the special features of this. We have used 1 kilowatt pure shine 100% copper industrial transformer solar system, which is unique, and also 40 ampere smart controller is also inside it. So first of all, let me introduce you the front panel of this, which is very user friendly. It is not necessary that you should be a solar expert or you should have electrical knowledge to use this, because all features are very simple. So let me show you. You can see here 3 analog meters. Let me introduce you first one. This is AC output voltage meter, where you can see and check how much AC voltage is being produced and sent for your use. The second one is solar charge current meter, which tells you how much amperage is being used from solar panel in your system. At the same time, you can also see the battery voltage meter to tell you what voltage available in your battery. In addition to the above, you can see 4 LED bulbs indicating you the level of battery reserve. The LED will tell you what percentage is available in your battery. Now, you don't have to worry anymore about the health condition of your battery. Now, let me introduce you to 12 volt DC output, where you can use any 12 volt product, be it electrical bulbs or fan. Let me show you a 12 volt bulb, which I now insert in the DC output, and let me switch on the bulb. See, the light is on. The bulb is giving you DC power. You can use 2 bulbs or a fan or any other 12 volt product. Next to is USB charger, where you can charge your mobile or any other USB product. Now I introduce you the green switch, which is main on-off switch of the system. When you want to use the system, you press it and the system checks itself with 4 beep sounds, and the system is ready for use. If you are not using the system, you can press again and the system stops, saving your all energy in the battery. In addition to, there are 4 LED lights. First is solar, which indicates the position of your solar charging. It also tells you if there is any fault in your solar panel and there is any defect in the flow of solar power. Next is the AC input. This is used to indicate when you are using AC supply to charge your battery, where there is no sun or it is rainy days. Next is LED to indicate about the working of your inverter. In addition to, the most important is red LED light. This indicates if there is any kind of error in working of your system. Now, you don't have to worry anymore because you get clear warning if there is any fault in your system. Now, let me introduce you the back panel of the system. You can see 4 connectors. These 2 big connectors are for connecting your battery. Red is for plus and black is for minus connection. Now, the other 2 connectors which you see is connect the solar panel with it and bring the solar energy in the system. Now, you can see a big red button which has 2 options. One is for AC charge mode and the second is for solar charge mode. You can decide which mode to select. If you are not using solar charging and want to charge with AC, you can switch the mode to AC charging. You can see a black wire next to this, which can connect the system with the AC supply so that your batteries can be charged with the AC since there is no sun available. So, let me show you how it works. Now, I have connected this with AC supply and our system is being charged with AC supply. And if you later select to solar mode, it will charge with sun energy. In addition to, now you can see up the cooling system, which keeps system cool for a healthy operation. You can see 2 AC outputs of 220 volt, which can be used for your whole supply to your home, office and other utilities. Let me introduce you the small black button, which is a circuit breaker and protects the system to work as a fuse. In case of any problem, you can reset it and the system will start working properly. So you can see it, really a user-friendly, simple system which can be used by you. So why are you waiting now? Not only this, if you have a small factory or small office, you can use this for all your load. Another important point, though it is an off-grid system, but it can be used by using your existing electrical wires. It means you don't need to put separate wires to use the system. All you need is a one changeover switch, which will give you the option of using solar energy or AC supply on the same wires. When you press it down, it is on AC mode, and if you move the lever on the upper portion, it will start solar supply. And now your whole house is working on solar power. So now you don't have to worry anymore because all of your electrical need will be taken care of by this all-in-one 1 to 5 kilowatt solar system. So now if you want to run a small school, business, police station, post office, shop, all this will be taken care of by this unique system. So now you don't wait, buy this and make your life comfortable.